Etefo ye mamu akwaba biom ediba ye channel yi so ereko fo so hima na menemu ebedi nsa woso yi na deni de nyina ye ba ha no ma wonim se me kwame tumi ndi djuma no age me fro bi eka me ho enti me nua ba ma na yaw na kwa me wiafe twetwe nkomo no ne ye bobo nsem bi a eba Ghana ha ye wo mra mienu ye wo sutobre ene ye wo opebre ne ba ye nyina ye ni tua se ne ye awiemu ye wiemu be wohwinum be seso na wiemu be dry se na obroni be ka no na so se sutobre ne ba utumi hu se efom afọ na niam esisi sa sutobre ne ba e de nsem pii ebre yen wo oman yi mu ebi etesese ebi te se instobre ne so a otumi hu se efiefie ensuo ataatai na ye bebusa se eba de se na sansuo no etaataa wo kwan ni mu na den ne ye be ye afa ho kwan ben so ene ye betumi aye a ye nsuo ebetwem sansuo no nso esan ba etumi cause traffic papa ewo krom sansam yi bi na ye ni eba bedi ho enkomo ende ewo ye edwumede so tumi bedane akọ na me ne ye nua nana Kwame wiafe edi nkomo ye nua ye mo wakwa edi san ba ye channel so
ejo so me nua apom tisen
nyame adom ye ho ye na wo so
so me ye san hia biom
de bia ye be hia se ya ye hia se ya na ye ni je so wo
no Ghana ho don tie se ja ye boa
mutumi nkasa obehye de me nyi
se sika soma wo woni ho ese wo nko
obeka se wo nko
atena we Rollins beka anoma ntu a ogina
ho
entu wa nko a wo begina ho
eno anu no so ye be sha nanse mu ye rest to bremu si ye free April May June ba no mu a na si ye rest to brenu mu anu no na sa brenu so ya na form enta anye akono ma ye nsa wo betietia enkanka omo titi echirechire no ana omo a sebe omo kwan ye ngu school ta no na sensuo na ye bebeta ho no ye bedi hu kuma bisa se eba na sei na ye ba den na ye be ya afa ho adwenkyina wo no na wa kire yin na ye nyina yetu ye ho fo ewo
me da se Ghana ha no June July there obi anim say stubborn unless there is a change in the weather pattern then we will have some changes but June July but apart from June July na kasa no Ghana Accra so okwa Accra ensuo pete ya na yiri is because your drainage system and one and two we are no I will not use the word some of us Ghanaians are not well kept. Some of them throw waste into the drainage system and it blocks it when it rains. When it rains for 2 minutes, because the drainage systems are blocked. Yes, are choked and blocked. The water cannot flow freely. So quickly when it is flowing, it can't flow, so it just bubble up and it just go over the bank and it enters people's houses. That is all. Third is poor housing system. Look at where somebody will build a house. They will go for town planning advice to build a house here, but because of money and because of ignorance, they will build their house at the wrong place. And when it rains, it enters, destroy their things. And there are the same people who complain that government, what has the government supposed? Government side is to construct drainage system, and the government has done it. It is our job to make money afraid communal labor. And I'm friends if communal labor. Na communal labor no ye kwa ye di ye huni ye siesie ya ye ho o ti ase na ye community no emrante ewom enipa ewom ene ye hia na ya communal labor no akọ clean ye ho yakọ ye gatas mu yakọ do ye mfikyire yakọ ye nema bi.
The cry is a bugusu ye oko market and I think it's almost the first Saturday in the month. Market for no mo ya jo mo ta ye sa ne amane na nsem pa.
Enye market no nyina na menu aba mo ye o. Enye ne nyina. Na mpo market nkwa na enye ana. Eye residential places, areas no ese ye. Uko is Legon, Trasaco, Nesa those estate residents now. They hire Zoom Lions to come and clean it and they pay them. But where me and you, or where you stay, or where my brother watching me stays, they can't collaborate and then gather money and hire a Zoom Lions to come and clean the environment. So we have to do it. When the Zoom Lions weren't enrolled, we were cleaning the environment. So we have to clean it. Tear the gutters with rake. Keep it clean. Look, it will rain and we will have a smooth and neat hot environment. But if we don't keep the drainage system well, we will not. Government too should do well because they pay taxes, so they pay tolls. So it's your job as a government, okay, through the Ministry of Environment and Sanitation to keep the environment clean because we hire people. Let them go and tear the gutters. Because see, I can't pay taxes to you, the government, to keep me healthy, to keep me protected, to keep my job, to keep my family safe, to keep my environment clean. And again, when I am not feeling well, I have to go and pay. Even the hospital cost I put to Kakra is not right because you have paid for it. Environment cleaning, you've paid that the government should keep your environment clean. Policing, keeping yourself safe or safety keeping, you've paid the government to keep you safe. All these things has been paid for. When you go for implementation of tax collection, it has been. But what is going on is because people are ignorant. One, the government have seen the ignorance of the people and is stepping on it as a stepping stone. So, flood in Ghana, Kasoa, a country on its own. Though Kasoa is there, but it's a country on its own. It has different ideas, different topographies, layout. It has its own ways. Kasoa is a beauty on its own. But what Kasoa Kwan? Kasoa Kwan is an international road. Tema Highway is an international road. And Koko Kumasi Road, they are roads. When you say international road, they are roads that links to countries close to you. People can take that road and enter another country. They are international roads. Do you understand? So why can't we keep these roads? Foreigners, observers, blah blah blah. They all go through this road to their various destinations. And look at the road. Uru Kasoa and Nra, it's in Kasoa. Hey, you bump me. They say untimi yusu untimi toviate. Untimi emfa Kasoa kwan. Se wo to car fufura e be say na sen ya. Na pothole bi e da ho no. Minim how a pothole ni be da ho. Ministry of Road, I'm very very disappointed in them. They are
na ebi mu bisa sent na Kasoa for ananyanya no for no mo nka na for mo ana. Efi se bebi omu wei I say oman ye ncheda nkasa ye hu bisa no. Ekwan na sei ekwan ni nye ufa kwan ni so kura nye yie. Enso nsuo to de bia na betae so. Ensuo ni to na edwire fro bi fia na beta kwan ni so. I say every toll booth echo broadcasting that stretch kakra no. Say nsuo to a me hu say ho ye landslide no. Say ye den yo na edwire no to nyina be yeah.
Look at all this.
Ghana for no unnecessary traffic.
Ghana for no. Omonye din. Once one sorry, you say penina otena fie man kwalare nanka no yebu nanka refo a oka ho. Enti wu a oti wo na ngwe me no. A wa e din a won kasa no. Utua tax. O tax a utua almost 500, 400, 300. 50 kra utua maban. Wo tua maban sa ban hwe wo so. On hwe wo kwan yie. Wonu wetua aban so beboa o na betinya entimani sika nti wetua ma no ese wonya okwan ekwan no kota ankom sa kwan no Kasoa kwan no construct some here no to say cement 20 no the 5 aye na 15 waton because of poor supervision enti ama kwan ni nyina nye amanfo cars say obi be na obi car says kwan meanwhile they pay tolls, they pay taxes. They pay through a lot. They get money from them through various means.
Ebi amasma mekano no say cars nam list legon omutua DVLA, omutua roadworthy, omutua insurance. Cars na ebi nso nam Kasoa, ebi nam amasama, ebi nam pokoase. Na so ade nti na East Legon de ne ye. No de ne enye. No mo nka Ghana ho ana aman na ye wom no mo ye yi omo free mu ana.
Is a system nankasa no. One, the civilians yen Ghana for nankasa no yen kipu the gutters, clean. Yes, a drainage system, you keep it clean. That fault we will take it.
That that drainage system as some okay. I say me share documentary. Is it Kenya? I think yes. I think it's Kenya. I mean, Kai Kroni, the me share documentary. They used there are signed. I say more be 100 meters yard of the gutter. No, what you man say make sure that the gutter is clean and gutter ni mu so yes sama wa obenom. Gutter ni mu so yo.
Very
Yes sama wa obenom. Now we show big gutter original will be say or to scrub the gutter 5 times a day.
Wow.
Just to make sure that that stretch, you know. 80, yeah, assigning my youth, you know, every 100 meters be obida or another 200. So you work on your portion. It's your mad, their gutters are looking good. Their drainage system is perfect. Now, for ye, Obi and Tamu run one fan Koshemua. Obi a be in waste name. Obi and be a crown, not see no crown, a walk with quietness on the crown. I will run like a good.
We are not it. Yensu eto anamanfo abiom toilets. Akope pumping machine, no wa pumping, na fa nsu na akogu gatanim. We have a problem. Oh. Ghana, we have a problem. It starts from the scratch to the top. We can't blame only the government. No. We have to heal ourselves first before we can talk about healing the government. Because there, from Akwalaso, onti asem to Peniso, and Penifo Busu also serious. But this sika ye ntimi account ne amako discuss amode koya ye wushe mahama betina so a or professor kakoje World Bank uko ya also koji skaba ukoji skaba ya northern region wo dey confirm and confirm be say ye hu ye akufo ade so betina so a me nu anem me ba central region me see airport o kan de na oju so obi ante o ba wie ya ene bi so a o si wan kanesa you said it off outside your manifesto o de brofo hataso nyame hwemu enti na asen not o ma to tia mo ense bebre asen not o mu njimi yo ah na nso to ye e no ma wade e chen ma hu say ya to aba na ye be si obi court electoral commission can see the court because we himself get two citizenship card or two this thing passport to a member of Canada and a member of Ghana okita this membership card of these two countries are according to the constitution is not eligible to stand for election. Good. Why did you file him to go through that stage to the next stage to contest for the election? That is you. One money my
and only the auditees have been or the above film. And no who come over actually. You better the sound common ye papa because me cry no makoma that sound common so. My young son Danny, you won't some brace to turn. Just last week, Adam Nana obi try video bi wo ho kwa adwuma no try video bi a meta menum. Esio pɛ da ne fie ese swimming pool. Esio da ne fie. Ada ne dan nanim agye lorry kwan nafa. Kan ko kan ma. Enti aso mi bisa se enti sankofo ye nyina enti se ade akye ye like ye kwa adwuma na ye kwa adwuma ne sen na ye ba na ye tua tax na ye tua ne sen like can we account even for the day?
We can't. We have municipal chief executives, metropolitan chief executives, assemblymen, unit committees. We have all the government structures at the communities, at the municipals, at the metropolitans. Yeah, we now had a district. And so they write memos to the MCs to do something about it. MCs is their duty to develop the community or the wherever to the municipality. It's their duty to do that. But they have to go. You see, as a municipal chief executive, it's your job to lobby for development in your area or for your area. How did they do it? The ministries are there. You have to lobby into the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Road and then and then they will come and survey the problem and then they will deploy constructors to come and do that. Do you understand? If school and you write, you keep on writing because if you write one, sometimes it doesn't go through. So you keep on writing, it will go through. Okay. And swear to and then swear to see the Eastern region and go for Koforidia, Kumase, that is Ashanti region. All these places, and so at all, and so to me, for 3 consecutive times. So, a whole Yurisa, Bakra, Manso, and Pitching, let the water drizzle small. Bam.
I first light area Nimugo, and now where a year kind of thing. So good broadcasting area move.
Kasoa crowd there na me dream am here. Kasoa. And you to know we have to sit up. It is time we say enough is enough.
Yeah.
If you don't construct the road well, you say year of road. The politics issue, I'll be coming there. We have to be serious. If they are not ready to do what they have to do for us, create jobs as they said they will do, construct the roads, tear our drainage system, clean it, and then create more drainage system so that we won't be having problems. And then we too, we have to change. We should stop throwing rubbish, waste, hard waste into the drainage system to be blocked. All these things we have to work. So we should work on ourselves, and we should also work by putting pressure on the government to do his part, because bibi anka pa benje chere wa mboni tuja
onye nya me so me say edge who won ya okay. I think say our drainage systems me ebia gutters no me your mama nya kese kakra and ayenye underground drainage systems wow na kensuo na emfa say nye sewage emfa say na mbese nko se na be ya sa flooding ne sa niam we na unnecessary traffic na ye cause wo kwan no so na ni nyina so otwa
ni aba mi ntwa no minister of road ne kasa mafo na omo ye meeting bi o Ministry of Information. Now one of the media personals besides Asemoye na anu ye the man no say ya ma edan ba ko won atimi anhwe so ye betimi dan mi ensa ma. We have an open drainage system. Ghana for two ball lagoon. And no one to me so near come underground drainage system. Hey! And then near a fool in a package war. A fool, a man for the cool among my bush for my girlfriends. And your master ho, and no bit means Siena and a bush anyone there. We can't underground that is covered. And when it's covered, it's expensive to open it and go and tear it again, unless we are disciplined. If we are disciplined, then we can create the underground, because government has observed that, well, we can go ahead with it, because the people can take care of it. But open one, normal one in Kono, na young command the
rubber ni nyina wo de kosi gata ni mu say
I am a dream woman says Jimmy dear.
We were matches e wo fia wo patun gba ni mu e be hye o komra ni be hye da so we ya koto gata mu say eya na me dream woman say it won't dream say education na ye nye no mo nti na e ba ni sa na don't you think we should educate the masses?
Mama wa dream be bu fo I say wo ko fo obere ukofo obere a wa no wa dream bu fo say nye enti eye akono born in our defy and do more than nation ade na omo koyo omo tete say omo lack education ade na okoto born to orebe kunu nifa. That means say their consciousness is telling them what you are doing is not good. Sure enipa there ye ba wiase e besua ewiase enyansa na honhom nyansa there between right and wrong the yakopon de man akwala kitikwa na sometimes when say we enye obi an trend ba wonim enti no omunim enye say omunim education who to baller agu atamu a eno so nya education
asem
ye nya nkwase asem ni ma yanim ti kakra na yagimi dodo
flooding ne de ya hadwen flooding ne ya hadwen pa na so ye de be so abayenim yesremo omo kwan ne nye no ya de srede mo yere mo ho na mo mbeye efise sa nyanya no kwan kura ye ka ho asemi e kwan no mo de ma contractors mo ye but edu finfin ento aso na nsamba nti yesra aban ni obetumi aye de aboaboa me a etete saa no onye efise ahafo osu besu ni nyina emo ni nyina da aban so na nso ye besre no So on share no boa akwan yenua mayen few words na ye fe ntwa to na ye fanda
yeni ehuni yen change ya adwen baller no yen farmer baller car. We shouldn't be throwing rubbish, okay, waste, solid waste into drainage systems. We should stop that. Okay, when you stop that, the government will also be serious. The government, to my little advice to you, is that you should also set up. I know you are doing your best. Both NDC and MPP say Ghana there. Yeah, I'm sure my NDC better my MPP. Whoever comes to power, do your best. We should maintain it. Wherever the problem is coming from, detected by it, Ghana Environmental Agency, wherever the problem is coming from, people should work it out. Flooding is a poor image. It's a poor sign for Ghana development. So work it out. People are dying. People get that. Obi ada also solely and as with the pool. Wada ma just say one say flood so bad them na say oda a you mattress na say oda so a different level. I say one way no. No was a dim we mono. I say how na mo I say oh fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Oh no yo. Oh na mo asa na utuma o de utimi body macho man. No yo kiti. Enti wo ba dare nsuo form nyina e nsuo no. I say nsuo tokra na. E so good that ko na madan mu e de. Wo dwom so utimi dwom yie. Enti nsuo wura dem sana. The when you bet now TV no, I have flat bottom flags.
TV na a flat bottom flat or say I believe I can fly. Would you decide to me a and your bomodia na subscribe, like, comment, near be one, make sure hit the notification bell. Send a be a daily day na ya the other photos were ha. Wo and I'll be din kaya baby. A real call for Suhima and I'm in Chich Bremo. Medasi.